National Commission on Human Rights now wants the national government and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations to speed up the process of identifying bodies retrieved from River Yala. The Commission has noted with concern that several months after the bodies were retrieved, the identification exercise is yet to be completed. KNCHR now warns there are high chances that affected families may not get justice if the exercise continues to slow down.
Visiting the Yala Sub-County Hospital morgue, the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights Chair Roslyn Odede has lamented that there is laxity from the investigating authority to identify the bodies retrieved from River Yala in order for the affected families to bury their loved ones. This laxity, the human rights body says, will defeat the wheels of justice.
But still of concern to us is that from the March bodies, the bodies that were dumped in March, there has been no traction in investigating those cases. Issues of enforced disappearances and extrajudicial killings are very, very rife in our country. And it is sad that up to today, since the bodies were discovered, some of the bodies are still unidentified. That hampers investigations and actually slows down progress of everything.
The Commission is now calling on the government and the Directorate of Criminal Investigation to move with speed to finalize the identification process.
But we are also calling for investigations for the bodies that have been identified or the bodies that are found. And as a Commission, we are following up to ensure that justice is done and merited to the people.
As a way to put to an end an increase in alarming cases of extrajudicial killings and forced disappearance in the country, the human rights body has called on the national government to consider incorporating the international human rights law in efforts aimed at addressing the vices in order to protect citizens from such human rights violations.
As a Commission, we are also concerned that as a country, we have several cases of extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances. In the last month alone, we've seen quite a number of cases reported. And it is sad that as a country, we have not ratified the International Convention on persons who are victims of enforced disappearances. And we would like to call on our country to take steps to ratify that convention so that we can offer more protection to the people of Kenya in terms of enforced disappearances.
The Commission has, however, refuted claims that new bodies have been retrieved from River Yala, as widely reported in media. The Commission says their own investigation collaborates with information from DCI, which shows there are no new bodies retrieved. The recent alleged bodies, the Commission says, are part of the bodies yet to be identified. Henry Tende, Look Up TV.